Ayan, light muna natin yung mga candles. So, ano yan? Ayun, hindi na namamatay. Hindi yan namamatay, baka mahirapan siya. Okay, so dito tayo closer. Let's go. And para mas masaya. Let's go. Let's hang. Come on up. So just a reminder for our cotillones, kung kailangan nyo na magpalit na kayo, ha? Ayan na yun. Okay. Ayan, nasindihan na pala, ha? Ayun. Tapos photo-ops muna tayo. Apo, on the ladder. Sige po, mother. Okay, so picture muna. Picture everyone. Go closer. Smile. Hindi pa na baby girl. Okay, so with that, sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay tayo kumanta in 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, yung mas masigla, let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy
Okay, so to our dearest Christina, kindly make a wish before you blow all those candles. Yes. Ito, huli to, yung yung dalawa. Okay, so now please go ahead, do the honor, blow all of those candles. And that is a total of 18 wishes. Yeah. Okay, ayan. Last. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay, lastly.
Happy birthday.
Okay, so maraming salamat once again. Palakpakan po ulitin ang ating nag-iisa, our queen of the night, Miss Maria Cristina. Let's go! Hey! Come on now! Okay, so that is all. Thank you so much to our 18 candles. Thank you guys. You can go ahead and send